2023 McDonald's Happy Meal special bundle. Little puff out ears. I don't know how many there are in the set. I think there's like 15 cards in the set. They were also handing out these little hats. They also were giving away these Pikachu like fun packs. Side is like a little color sheet right there. Color them all. And a little 4-pack of stickers. So those also came with the Happy Meal thing there. So the pack comes in a box like this. There is actually like a 4-player mini game that you could play with this. So if you are just like sitting at the table or whatever, you just get these things. There's the pack that comes with it. 4 cards in the pack, and there's just like the little rule set on how to play the McDonald's version of it. And then here's the coin that you flip to play the game with it, and that's all that comes in the box. Oh wait, what else is in here? And like a little QR code scanner for, I guess, more rules online. All right, let's see. So here is the pack. Cloth. There's our foil promo cloth. Kileria, Brittle, and oh, Kilowattrol. Those are the 4 I got there. But wait, we're not done. Okay, so this is another 2 packs. This is the last of my packs. So I went in there and I was like, hey, can I just buy, like, do you guys still have Pokemon packs? Because I wanted to make sure. So we went to the one in Stittsville. I was like, hey, can I just buy Pokemon packs? And they're like, like, I'm not sure, because they had like other toys. And like, yeah, you know what, we could do it. So each pack was $2 a pop for each 4-packer. I ended up getting 1 or 2 Happy Meals, like that's it. But then I just bought packs on the side. I could have got probably as many as I wanted to. Yeah, they just sold me as many as I wanted to when I was there. I should have got more than 3. But okay, so here's the last of the pack. So I did open these 2 in the store. So I got a Cyclizar, I got a Flittle, another Blissey, Sandacana, another Palmy. There's a 3rd Palmy, almost every pack. Kirlia, another foil cloth. And I got the Pika. The foil Pikachu, guys. Freaking sweet. It was in one of the packs that I opened. It was actually the first one that I opened. I was like, no way. Yeah, so he's selling right now in our system for $6.20. The pack was $2, and I just got $6 Pikachu out of there. You're pretty much getting your money back, like 100%, if not more, from every single pack. Like, what's this cloth? Like, honestly, like, you could probably just drop $100 on these, and you'd make maybe $150 back easy. And that's the prices right now. The prices of these cards are gonna go up.